As the country reels from the impact of Hurricane Melissa, tourism stakeholders in St. Anne are scrambling to get the sector up and running. TVJ News understand that a cruise ship is expected in the island on Monday. Anthony Lugg has details.
Tourism is the heartbeat of Jamaica's economy, but since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, that heart has nearly stopped. Hotels have closed their doors, major attractions are silent, and thousands of workers from Negril to St. Anne are unemployed.
Yeah, the impact is significant because when you realize is that there's a big economic benefit to having the tourism product back on track.
On Thursday, our news team journeyed to Ocho, St. Anne to see firsthand what the situation was like. All major hotels are empty, except for Moon Palace Jamaica, which is currently operating at 30% occupancy. We then made our way to the attractions. Locked gates, horses standing still, and bikes parked where they last rolled. At the world-renowned Duns River Falls, silence has replaced the laughter of climbers. Instead, it was the sound of workers yielding machetes and throwing branches they had cut into a waiting truck. Over at Dolphins Cove and Choco Seville, uncertainty lingers. But amid the closures, one attraction in Ocho Rios is standing tall.
Fortunately, Mystic Mountain was built as an island unto itself. So we have our own power generation, we have our own water. So we were up and running the Sunday after the hurricane.
Mystic Mountain remains in operation, and according to Managing Director Mike Drakulich, it's ready to take guests back to new heights.
We were given the opportunity to see how Mystic Mountain withstood the test of Hurricane Melissa. And by all indication, it did pretty well. Apart from a few downed trees here in the forest, it's business as usual.
Across the town of Ocho Rios, the rhythm of recovery is in full swing. The St. Anne Municipal Corporation is leading the cleanup effort, determined to restore the area before the first cruise ship arrives on Monday. Michael Bell-Davis is the chairman.
So everybody's working assiduously to get everything together for Monday morning when the first carnival ship comes in. And there's 3 or 4 ships set up for next week. So it's important that everything is ready, up and going, so that they can take advantage of this economic benefit that tourism and cruise ships brings to this area.
Despite the temporary closures, there's a sense of resilience and determination in St. Anne. With hotels set to reopen in the coming days and attractions gradually resuming operations, stakeholders are confident that Jamaica's tourism heartbeat will soon be back stronger than ever.
We're hopeful though. Carnival's been down here, they've given us a pass. Every cruise line's been down here and Mystic Mountain's okay. But we just need to get some of the other attractions back online.
It's really the repositioning of the tourism product is what we're looking at right now. We want to ensure that once they come, they can still feel comfortable. They must not feel that, it's a war zone or something, negative is happening. They must still feel the warmth, the love, the resilience of the people, and that's what people are looking for right now.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.